everyone, welcome back to this week's Healthy Lifestyles activity. My name is Miss Yulin, and today we are going to be doing an activity that is going to teach you guys about the cardiovascular system. Do you know what the cardiovascular system consists of? It is part of our heart. And today we are going to be doing this activity that shows you how our heart works. So right here in front of me is the model that you guys are going to be making. And as you can see here, when I push down on this, you will see that red liquid comes out. That is going to be our blood. And it's going to show you how our heart pumps out blood. So I hope you guys follow along to this activity and let's begin. For this activity, you will need 2 cups. One of these cups should be filled with water. The other should be empty. You can also use red food coloring, but this is optional. You'll also need scissors, 1 balloon, tape, and 2 straws. Make sure the straws are bendy. Start by grabbing your balloon and using your scissors to cut it in half. We want the bottom of the balloon and the top of the balloon to be separated. This is how the top of the balloon should look. For this part, you can have an adult help you. You are going to use a pair of scissors and make 2 small holes in the center of your balloon. Now you are going to attach the top of your balloon onto your cup. And before you do this, you can also add your food coloring. Make sure to only add a couple drops. We also have the bottom of our balloon that we cut earlier, so we are going to attach that onto one of our straws. Use tape to seal the balloon and the straw together. We don't want any water to leak out later, so use a lot of tape and make sure there are no holes. Remember, we made 2 small holes in our balloon earlier. Now we are going to push our straws through those holes. So make sure to wiggle around your straws a little because the holes are pretty small. But once you wiggle it around, they should open up and you can easily put your straws through, just like this. I also added a couple drops of food coloring, which is why the water is now red. But once you push down on the center of your balloon, you'll notice that red water is coming up through the straw and is entering the cup. Every time you push down on the balloon, this mimics your heart pumping out blood. I hope this activity helped you visualize how our cardiovascular system works. Our hearts work very hard every day to help pump out blood and help us survive. I hope you enjoyed this activity, and I'll see you guys again next week for our next activity. Bye everyone!